Okay, yes, okay. Today I did some gardening. These are my long stem roses here and here. This is my yellow roses. These, the long stems are red. And then this one here is white. Then I got arugula, I can't say it right, and rosemary, and chives, and let's say marjoram, oregano, like oregano, marizette. Okay, I can't say it right and I can't remember it. Over here I have my peppermint, which I'm good in growing the peppermint. It's the spearmint. That's the peppermint. Spearmint that gives me a hard time. And this, I was hoping to try to get him back, but I have to plant something here that bird poop repel, or bird proof. So the birds have a nest there, and they come back every year. And then over here, I have Brussels sprouts, which will grow in height in the corner, along with cabbage. I have my collards upstairs, ivy, and of course, rosemary again. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get a shot going in so you can see Sandrine. I think purple colors that would come through would be really nice. Okay. Okay, I'm still not done planting, but I'm done for now. Bye.